Well, he talk me. But Jayden Chase there for make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase, and yes, we are bringing on another new and yes exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Sociopath is out on all major platforms, and this is a reminder. Not just to the fans, but also to other artists as well. Now the track is titled Sociopath, but it's a reason why the teacher attached psychopath to it, or psychopathic. Because at the same time, sociopath means someone who lacks empathy, for better choice of words. Someone who finds it hard to connect with the emotions of others. Now Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, is an artist who conveys raw emotion and tracks every time we hear Vybz Kartel music. Even in interviews, one of the only artists who people still watch him interview them. Them say even some artists studied the interviews to see how them would handle an interview should they attain stardom. Now, viewers and subscribers, the track a rock dancehall music. The track a rock dancehall music are those facts of the matter. Now, however, we're gonna talk about May and the first week of May. Now, of course, the numbers are in, and Vybz Kartel is leading the pack again with 1.3 million. First week numbers we are talking about 1.3 million. I know we have a point out too. Some artists who recently took to IG and make the most posts, try to throw the most shade, are nowhere to be found on the charts. Me I talk about artists like Jamil. Me I talk about artists like Movado. Me I talk about artists like Idonia. Nowhere to be found on the charts. Take a moment, look again. Let's look. No. Me not see them. Me not see them on the charts. Uno take on the time and look. They are not there, viewers and subscribers. I don't really make a statement recently. I said the teacher put out tracks, so I put out so much music for. I'm gonna point out this, especially in a time like this. Very few artists, of which Vybz Kartel is among those artists, can get viewers, fans for listening to music on repeat all day. Very few artists can do this. Very few artists make music that is that entertaining. Or the lyrical content is that much that you have to listen over and over again to really grasp the whole concept of the song. Now, Idonia is an artist who put out music now and then. And see, the numbers now add up. Jamila put it a whole heap of release recently. I talk about Chronic Law. As soon as him stop from mention Chronic Law, the numbers seem to have vanished. While Chronic Law is still there. Proving, saying the need to call some artist name to remain relevant. Now some people are saying, oh, we are calling them name for... No. I'm point out this. It is always alright for the opposition talk anything them want talk, but we and the artists who we are say are do good music. So why when our artists are do well on the charts, we can point out say the naysayers are nowhere to be found. We are gonna do it. The truth, only never ever like the truth, especially when the truth is not tailored to you. But if the cap fit, you must wear it. They make a portion the talk. I wanna see it. I see them on the charts. So the teacher just drop another dancehall bang. And we are talking about crossover. Everybody are talking about fusion sound and crossover sound. Let me point out this. This is a fusion track within itself. The delivery. We're not going to talk about the cadence alone. The delivery. The lyrical content and the way it was delivered on this beat. The fact that the chorus, you can hear the record being scratched. That is hip-hop within itself. Dancehall inspire and we create a whole heap of things for ourselves. Scratching the record is definitely a hip-hop thing. What is due to Caesar, you know the something go. I feel them style that. And that was incorporated very neatly in this track. Big up Navigator. One thing about the young producers and the young engineers the Vybz Kartel are linked with, they must show extreme talent, and majority of them are self-taught. Majority of them are going to school feet. And just the passion for the music and the creative talent blessed by the God will bestow it upon them. And they might do it in a music. They might do it in a music. As soon as this track start the trend, they're gonna make it. And no doubt, this was recorded when the track dropped. You know what I mean? Probably wasn't released during that time, but recorded as such. As soon as it start trend, they're gonna make it know. And I suspect it will be trending soon and very soon. I will not just talk any trending. I talk about number one trending. We see Governor forward strong with that track. I see him do the numbers. Dexter Daps forward, one track, I do the numbers. The teacher have 2 released currently since the week. Midweek. Life Giver. And see it, the new one here from Navigator them. We got the whole Clarendon city. You know what I mean? Some of the biggest producers seem to be from that side of the island. You see what I go on? All of here. Yes. You know. Big up the whole settings, big up the whole ground. You know the something go. Definitely a good looking at dancehall music at this point in time. Even some of the naysayers, we see them. Well, one of the naysayers, we see him there. I do the music too. For film, fan base. And it's a good look. You have to remember, you know, lyrical dominance. For an artist to be dominant, there have to be other artists who are do good too. So we can point out, say, yeah, look at the crop of artists we have in the dancehall music and look at how well they are doing. And then look, Vybz Kartel is still the dominant artist, because that speaks to how dominant that artist is and how creative that artist is. So that means that we don't want to see other artists that do it. But we don't need to step on the game up and start post things and try to make it look like say Ray. And then some of the fans and make it look like we are going out of our way to talk about, let's say, the things that we probably wouldn't want to highlight it. We probably wouldn't want it highlighted, but we would do the same. And music we are talking about. And we have to talk about the wins and the losses. And right now, majority of the ones who are talking on IG, they have to take the L at this point in time and know, say, yo, them now win in the game. And the route of them are try to walk, forget to dominance. Talking things about the dominant artist. That not gonna get you there any faster than putting out some good music. With all the talk, we'd expect some good tracks to be released in a timely fashion. Then they are stood every day, I'll know we can't see this track and drop. We are the engineers to mix and master these new recordings. No engineering about. Every engineer booked fully. We don't know. It seems like them have writer's block. Can't write no more songs. We know Mob no write songs for himself. Jamie said I work on an EP right now. He probably run out with all I'm lyrical content in what they are now. He might try to get his mind to a place where he can make other songs, because nobody don't want to hear the hardcore content from him if he's going to put out an album. Look how he might start sing some songs where him know put him where he is now. Look how I go on. He might try to get his mind in that mindset again. Now did he? This is a man where he can't just did write him own music. We hear the lyrical content, all the songs sound the same. I wonder if I give me that's a track 5. You probably give me that's a track 5. And give me some same song that sound the same way again and tell me say just record them yesterday. Did you can't trick me? You record all them songs from 2019. You don't record a song since. And if you do record a song, you know put out a song where you record after that's a track since. All music we put out recently, you recorded during the same time when you record that's a trap. And you have seen to trap yourself in that vibe or that cadence or that style or that flow or that pattern. And you refuse to release new music. But that's what I go on still. Vybz the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the God's representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified about fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform, viewers and subscribers. You know how the something go. Like icon there, share icon in close proximity. Drop a like and share the vlog. Comment section is always open 24/7, never lucky yet. Drop your comments in the comment section. Or be respectful of the guidelines. Other than that, we can continue the reasoning via the comment section, so feel free for start talking in the comment section. Tell me what you feel about the new track we just dropped, Sociopath. And I'm not normal. The teacher sent out a clear reminder not only to fans but to other artists as well. Say only nowhere near what we did. The capabilities. And I say we know them, but we so not bring to the table thus far. You know the settings, brothers and subscribers. Our move settings I wanna need a ladder. My sentiments for you and yours, I wanna live, love and prosper until we reason again.